Okay, hello, it's Chris here. Thought I would show off what I've been working on for during the whole summer. So it's a 2D engine. It's written in Java with Visual and Box 2D. I'm using the Nashorn engine for scripting, and trying to target OpenGL 3.x very much, so it's modeling. So let's see. Okay, let's just see what we have. So we've got a window with a grass thingy. Now the engine works a lot with XML to create a lot of things. So this tile is taken from this file. So this is what I call a blueprint, an object blueprint, which pretty much tells the engine how the object looks and what it has, what kind of components it uses, and so on. This is useful for whenever you want to create multiple instances of the same object. You don't want to have to retell the engine how the object looks like. So you can specify what script the object will use, a name, which is then you can get the name from the script, so you can identify objects on collision and stuff. Special tags that you can set. For instance, this object has a renderer, and I define a shape by giving ridges and indices. So the script for this object looks like this right now. Two functions: a init function update and a collision. When collision enter, you can also specify a on collision. I think it's lead, and this is the function parameter will give you the other object that this object collides with. So in order to so whenever the engine starts, it will load a scene, and in this case I have hard-coded this scene loaded, which is also an XML file, and each scene is a set of resources that it uses, and these resources are materials and object blueprints, and also a set of instances. Instances are objects that are added or created when the scene is loaded. You can also dynamically add objects through scripts. And in order to spawn instances, you have to tell them which blueprint it uses, and we set the default properties, default values for object properties. And so the materials is that's also an XML file, and each material is identified by name. And you can set the different textures the material uses, and filters the texture, and width textures have for the image. You can specify whether the image is visible or not, and you have to, but you don't have to, but you can specify the pixel shaders. And if you don't specify shaders, the engine has default shaders that we use, which works. So the shaders are DLSL, heavily uses external files. So let's see. Some scripting in this file. Let's close this. And we can say, so in the script there's a variable that's called object, which points to this object. This is pretty much like saying this stuff in another language. And we can say it's a position, and we can set it to yes, let's set it to. Then I can scale to something. Update function, some rotation. Let's rotate on z-axis, so create a variable. Let's run it. Hope that doesn't crash. And there you go. So object is position right, scale, and rotate. So let's see, let's try and create a new object. So let's just say t is create object, and I'm actually going to have to detail this. See what I need to specify. Because I don't really have everything in my head yet. So I just need to say the class name, which should be title. Let's okay. Oh, my bad. So I have another object blueprint called tile, which is just pretty much the same as the guy blueprint. So that works. So let's do something. So you can call create some random numbers. I bound the Java's random class to the scripts. So see. Oh, yeah. Oh, right. So I should not do this in the update function. Let's also change the texture. So set frame index, which allows you to specify what part of the texture to use. So if you have a texture like this, you tell the engine in your material how many clips it uses. So this has 4 times 4 clips, or divided into 4 times 4 parts. And in the script you can say set frame index to specify which section to use. So in this case I chose to use this brick thing. Okay, so let's go to the tile blueprint and do that to add a particle emitter, and so the particle emitters. So I've actually kinda hard coded it to the fire texture here and to rotate and shit, but the scaling works, or fading out, that's part of the shader. Every object has got a fade factor with an alpha that you can set. So I'm going to see if I can set that. No, I haven't been. Alright. So you can, so if the particle emitter is a component that you add to an object. So right now you can just have one particle emitter per object. You should probably add so you can have multiple, because you might want to have the smoke coming out of, if you have a fire emitter, you might want to have some smoke coming out of it as well. Yeah, so that's that. And I also have input, so you can have some input. I'm just gonna have to figure out alright, so I think I can do, I'm gonna try and script some. So let's in the tile, let's see if key state and space, state dot okay. So this is the problem with having, I haven't really used the engine, I've just implemented it, so it's hard to keep everything in your head. Alright, so if space is being pressed, let's say object dot set, let's just rotate it by some random number times or maybe the rotation actually is in degrees when you script it. Probably is. Yeah. So let's do that. I actually converted to radians later on. Yeah, okay, so now we have random rotation whenever I press the space. So it's, yeah, so that works. So it's cool. So you can do a lot of things. I actually have collision too. I'm not gonna show it because it doesn't, like, I think collision detection works, but if you add physics, kinda spazzes out. Yeah. So that's that. That's what I've been working on. I'm gonna continue working, see if I have something more to show later. Goodbye.